Hi, I'm Rick Stiles. Welcome to another King Cobra video. If you're into big cars, today we're going to show you the latest King Cobra release, which is the universal clutch case, designed for fitting on all different types of large-scale cars. So Losis, HPIs, MCDs, that sort of thing, Rovens, King Motors, whatever it is you're into. Let me show you the product. So, here it comes packaged. You've probably seen things like this, but not the same before. So it's a billet aluminium clutch case, designed to obviously be a nice lightweight, very strong fitting, and also good ventilation for the clutch bell. But ours has a bit of a difference, which I'll walk you through. So I'll show you through some of the different parts. Bust this bad boy open. So, the backplate is universal. Okay, so this can fit onto all the Sonora range engines, CY engines, Fuelie engines from all different manufacturers. It has offset holes, so it will fit on a G320 as well with a widened crankcase, but also all your normal CY 23, 26s, Sonora 23 to 29, straight on there as well. It's nicely engraved on both sides, obviously with the KCR logo. Now, to make this work and be truly universal, it has to fit the two different crankcase sizes and the two different depths of crankcase as well, along with the different sizes unique to the G320. So, here's the trick. What we've done, we have the faceplate which goes on the front. Okay, so you've got the backplate and you've got the front or faceplate. So, these are supported away with two pillars. Now, the way this works is this front faceplate is dual recessed. So, if you see up at the front, this is a deep hole, and turn it round, this is a shallow hole. The idea behind that is, with cars like the Losi, for example, and therefore the King Motors version, the clutch case is shorter by a very small measurement, but shorter. So to keep this universal, you can simply choose the engine holes, bolt it to the engine, choose the length of the post, which are here, I'll show you. Long post. This is your traditional long post as used with most CY engines and Sonora engines up to 29cc. When you go to the G320 crankcase, it uses a shorter post, which is this one. So you've got a long post with hexagon, so they can't be confused, and the short post, which is round, keep it separate. These simply fit in the front of the faceplate here, like this. We supply some nice stainless hardware to go with it. Spin one of those in so you can see. I'll spin one of the longer ones in as well so you can see the difference. Okay, so if you can see that. So the short post for G320, the longer post for basically everything else. There's only the 320 uses that post. Okay, now put a couple more on here so you can see. The real unique part of this is the fact that not only does it fit all the different engine cases, types and sizes, it also has the unique offset built in it for Losi and Losi style cars. So, I'll show you that now. So this is one assembled for, like I said, a Sonora 23 to 29, or a CY or a Fuelie, as it has the longer hexagonal posts. Here's the faceplate. If you put it on this way around, like this, not only does it make an absolutely beautiful product, also, this is now on the standard offset for, say, an MCD or an HPI Baja or something like that. We take it off and we turn it round, because the offset is deeper on the holes. This is now the exact correct measurement, shorter, for Losi fitting and Losi style cars. Okay? Making it the first truly universal clutch case. Okay? Now then, if you want to see it fitted on a car, here's one I prepared earlier. This, I'm sure you'll all know, is the MCD RR5. Obviously the coolest large-scale car on the planet, but let's move on from that. I'll show you it fitted so you can see what it looks like. Here we are. This is the clutch case in action. So this is a normal Sonora G290. So it's got the longer hexagonal posts, and the faceplate, because it's MCD, same with HPI, is round to the normal full-size clutch case. If this was a G320, of course, it would have the shorter case plugs on it. So there you go. World's first truly universal clutch case, brought to you by KCR. Enjoy. Thank you.